What's up, everyone? I'm with Marc, another funded trader with us, ForexPropFirm.com. He got a 10K account. He's trading very well, so I'm pumped for this interview. And if you don't know about us, guy, real quick, I'm Joe, co-owner and founder at ForexPropFirm.com and a CEO as well. And what we do is we are the best prop firm. We have 90% profit split from the start. We have a scaling plan up to $2 million. We have the least restriction, no consistency rule, no daily limit. And we are here to be the best prop firm. There's already a bunch of people that are saying we are the best one, and we're striving to become the best one. That is our goal, nothing less. So click the link in the bio to get a 10% discount. You can trade crypto, Forex, indices, metals, and stocks. So let's get right into this interview. Marc, thanks a lot for your time. You are a 22-year-old full-time day trader. So I'm gonna let you introduce yourself.
So, hey everyone, my name is Marc Shaw, and I do Forex full-time at 22 years old. And I also have a YouTube channel named Marc the Greatest. And basically I talk about motivation, positive videos and things like that.
Awesome, man. Awesome. So we're going to link that in the bio for sure. We're always happy to help promote other people. I love social media. It changed my life. So that is great. So man, you've been trading for how long?
3 years.
3 years. All right, man. And how did you get started?
I saw a few videos on YouTube, Instagram as well. I would see like people posting profits, and I was really fascinated by it. So that's what really got me started.
Got you. Like most people, obviously. Where are you from?
I'm from Maryland.
Oh,
in the US.
I love that. I love that. This is where, is it where Myrtle Beach is?
No, this is where, it's near Virginia. Okay. It's like, it's north of Virginia.
Oh,
like
got you. I think
in the
Myrtle
DMV
Beach.
area.
Okay, got you, got you. I think Myrtle Beach is a little bit south, like in Carolina or whatever. Because I went there when I was a little younger. Cool, man. So can you describe a little bit what is your trading plan? Like, what are you trading? All of that good stuff.
So I'm trading US 30, and I'm also trading gold. And basically I use the 13 exponential moving average and the 50 EMA as well. And I also use support and resistance zones.
All right.
And
yeah, go ahead.
And I also trade whenever the EMAs cross and whenever the price is hitting the support or the resistance zone.
Got you. Got you. Okay, so precise. I love that. And what about your what about a little challenge or something you face in your trading career that helped you become a better trader? Do you have something that comes in mind?
I'd say becoming profitable was one of my biggest challenges, and it really took me a while to come up with a profitable strategy. And I recently found this strategy on a YouTube video, and I just applied it, and it worked wonders.
Wow, that's we rarely hear this, man. That's great. And man, usually that's the other way around, but man, that's great. Like, this is the thing, like I have so many people, they think like it's the strategy, like what is your strategy or whatever. Now there's thousands of profitable strategy. That brings me to my next question, because basically there's thousands of profitable strategy, but there's pretty much two things, to my opinion, that is important. And it's one, you got to follow the strategy.
Yeah. Right.
And two, you got to have good risk management, because there is some strategy that you can't win, but not on the long run. And you're going to blow everything, like some martingale strategy or, you know, stuff like that. So what about your risk management?
So basically when I'm trading gold, I would usually risk about 5 to 10 points. And for like $10,000, I would risk like $150 per trade. And usually my take profit is like a lot bigger. So it would be like 20 points, take profit, 30 points, something like that. And for US 30, I would risk about 100 points. And usually that would be like $100 per trade that I'm risking, like for a $10,000 account. And usually my take profit's like really big. So yeah.
All right. So yeah. So it sounds like it's two different strategy or not, because the 5 to 10 point, it's like you said, I think you said it. It's it sounds like it's close to, yeah, as a scalper, that's what I was looking for. It sounds like that, but 100 point on, let me know if I'm wrong, because I'm not trading US 30, but it's both are very volatile, gold and US 30, but is it similar? I'm guessing so. So 100 point would be more like swing trading, I'm guessing.
Yeah. It's more day trading. So I'm in the trade for like the day and then I get out. So I'm not really, I might hold it overnight sometimes, but usually I'm in and out during the day.
Got you. And so you're trading full time. So you have, I didn't look at the YouTube channel, but I encourage people to look at it. But like, are you like, what are you doing like on a daily basis? Like you're trading, doing your YouTube channel?
Yeah. I also like post Instagram, like make motivational quotes on Instagram as well. And also I have some hobbies that I do. I play chess sometimes. And yeah.
I love that. I love chess. I play with my father sometime. He comes once a week and we play a little, one or two game of chess.
Wow.
Yeah, that's cool, man. I love that, man. 22 full time, already growing up on social media, taking advantage of that, because I started at 24. It's been a while. It's been five years, but like, man, Instagram, that was the thing for me. Now I'm seeing that TikTok is probably more the thing. Is you can blow up way faster now. Instagram is kind of messing up his algorithm, not using, I heard they're not using hashtag anymore, or they're not ranking the hashtag. And I'm like, what the, anyway, they're doing a bunch of stuff. And it's, yeah, I grew up on Instagram. Now all our Instagram accounts got shut down. So we got way less reach. We're trying to build them back up. But it's, man, for me, it was a blessing. Like I literally got out of like real, like I was poor, man. I got back to my dad's house at like 24 years old. He bought a house and I was like, okay, that's my chance of like, I'm done anyway. Like I was making $800, like kind of half welfare, half student loan. Like it's basically a program when you go to school. And I finished the school, but for whatever reason, I wasn't able to become a real estate agent. That was school for that. And I was like, okay, well, now they're not giving me the $800 per month anymore. So I just went back at my father's house and I started basically our brand, our first brand, not forexpropfirm.com, but we own another brand that now we're switching because nobody is buying Forex signals anymore. And it's true that it's not working that much. It's better to just learn how to trade like you're doing, and then get a prop firm and then get funded. And so, but yeah, Instagram for me was a blessing. Now I'm trying to grow a little bit more YouTube, and try to diversify. Maybe we're gonna get into TikTok, but I'm using mostly pay advertising as well for my brand. So I'm at a level that we can do that, playing the pay advertising game. But that's for your first 5, 10, 15 grand per month, maybe even 20 grand per month. I think anyone can build a brand like Marc is doing. Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, boom, you're making, well, there's more to it, but like you gotta learn how to make irresistible offer, like get people to buy your stuff. I've actually a sales funnel, not just a website that people will actually buy. Anyway, we're not into trading now, but I like to go into a little rant like this on these interview, because our goal is to help people become financially free. And I don't know, like you're talking about motivation and all that, like, can you tell us a little bit, like, what is it, a little bit more than motivation? Can you tell us a little bit more about it?
So it's basically just me like creating a video, like an inspirational speech. Like I would inspire people to be the best version of themselves. And I think that's what really drives me to like make inspirational videos. And a lot of people have liked them.
I love that. I love that. I got into personal development a while ago, so I'm really into it. So I'm getting what type of, I'm gonna go watch it after, that's for sure. Type of, like, I'm guessing like Jim Rohn, Tony Robbins, Les Brown, like stuff like that, right?
Yeah.
All right. I love that. All right, man. So describe like a key moment in your trading career, something that you can tell us, like, oh, it changed my life, like something like, oh, it clicked, or maybe something it was on the long run, but something that just make you, because like every trader I got on here, you said it took you 3 years to become profitable. So you said how you found a strategy on YouTube, but like what basically, maybe tell us what you were doing wrong before you found that, and why you were not profitable, and then what changed when you started being profitable.
I'd say that one, I think I was over leveraging. When I was trading, I would risk all of my account, and a lot of times I would blow account after account because, you know, I wasn't using the right risk management. So I think that was one mistake. Another mistake was I didn't have a strategy. So, you know, I was just randomly taking trades and I was losing money, and wasn't a good feeling, but it was a learning lesson for me that, you know, I need a solid plan and strategy to be profitable.
Yeah, that's recurrent with pretty much almost everyone, and like me as well. I blew a lot of account. And when you found the strategy, like what's is it just in the video? Like what made you change? Like what made you change that?
Well, I started applying it on like demo accounts. So I was practicing it over and over and over again, and it was proven to be profitable. So then I just told myself, okay, why not try on a real, or why not apply for a prop firm? And this is one of the very first prop firms I've applied for. And I've also applied for FTMO, which I failed. I believe like 3 times I failed that. And I found that FPF was a more easier evaluation to complete. So I just went to FPF, and the rest is history.
Great. I love that, man. I love hearing that. So that basically answer another question if you try other prop firm as well. So no, that is great. I love hearing that, and that's proving just the point. Don't want to brag, guys, but
right.
you know,
Yeah.
it's proving the point that I was saying at start. Like, we literally started this prop firm. Like, I've been in the game since a while. Like, I literally discovered Instagram in October 2015, and I discovered like garbage binary option in 2016, and then Forex in 2016 and 17. I already started my brand in 2017, and I've been in the industry since a while. So when we started this prop firm, I literally look at all the other prop firm. I'm not going to mention all of them, but all the biggest one. And we went on all their website, look at all the rules, look at all the price, look at everything, and just add like a list of like 10, 12 things that are important, like the rule, the price, the leverage, the percentage of profit split, the dashboard, all of that, the automation. And we said, tack, 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 we want everything to be better. That's really what we did. So, all right. So, do you have like, you're doing personal development. So do you have something like a mental or psychological strength or something that you develop for being able to become a successful trader?
I'd say just never giving up, I'd say, is one of my strengths. And also just, even if you have like a losing day, it's not the end of the world. You just have to keep trying, you know, just be resilient, and, you know, eventually you'll get it down and you'll get the hang of it. And I'd say some of my motivations was like some YouTube videos that I used to watch, like motivational videos like Les Brown, Tony Robbins, Jim Rohn, those type of guys. So I would use that to motivate myself sometimes when, you know, I was in a bad mood or had a bad day, you know.
Got you. Like me. And I did a lot. I did that, but other type, like some people don't like it, but I got the bracelet here of Grant Cardone. And a lot of people don't like him because he's just too much. He's like way too much, and that's fine. But like, yeah, I got into all the names you name, and I also did like Grant Cardone, and now I'm doing a mix of everything. And yeah, I like this guy. You gotta go hard, man. You gotta 10x. Like, you gotta go hard in life if you want to be successful. That's for sure. And when we are in our 20s, it's the best time. 30s, I'm getting there soon, so we'll see. So yeah, man, we're gonna wrap this up pretty soon. We have like 2-3 other questions. I want to thank you for your time again, and can't wait for you to be profitable as well on the 10K account and scale that. And like, I don't know if you know, but we're gonna let you know and everybody else. The scaling plan, basically, it's as every time you do 10%, you can ask for a withdrawal when you do 5%. And we pay out very fast. We don't necessarily wait at the end of the month or bi-weekly payout. Sometimes it's way faster. But you can ask for a withdrawal at 5%. But if you keep your money in your account instead of asking a withdrawal at every 10%, you can scale your account, and it's basically 10K, 25K, 50K, 100K, 100K, 200K, and so on the way to $2 million. So yeah, can't wait to see you do that, because you did 13%. And obviously we're telling people, be a little bit more conservative on your new account, because the maximum drawdown is 5%. It's not 12%. So usually we tell people maybe go 2x if you were trading, for example, 1.5% risk per trade, go 0.75%. per trade. So basically not 2x, but divide by 2 your risk. Now, the account, we're going to send you that real quick soon as after we finish this interview. And I can't wait to have you as a profitable trader. We're working on a mastermind that we're going to put all our profitable trader inside. Our mastermind is going to be free, and we're going to give them valuable tips, access to our online courses, and all of that. All right. So you talk about other prop firms, so I'm going to skip that. So basically, we're down to the last question, and I'm going to ask you if there's anything else that you want to add. But would you recommend starting with us, forexpropfirm.com, and why?
I would, because this prop firm has one of the simplest evaluations, you know, any skilled trader can take, probably the easiest out in the market right now. Because, you know, you look at prop firms like FTMO or just a lot of other ones, and they're not as simple to complete. And usually they have a daily drawdown, and this prop firm doesn't have a daily drawdown at all, which makes, you know, the trading a lot easier. So I'd say for any skilled trader that, you know, wants to get with a prop firm, join this one.
Yeah, thanks, man. So thanks a lot for your time. Do you want to add anything else for viewers? Hopefully there's going to be a ton of them. We're going to post that on our YouTube channel. We encourage everyone to subscribe, by the way. And we also have another YouTube channel that we're probably going to post the interview maybe a month later or something. And we have a podcast that we're going to put all these interviews on audio as well for you people that are listening to podcasts. So anything else that you want to add?
So my Instagram is _marc_the_greatest_. And recently my old account was hacked. So yeah, it sucks. So now I'm on a new account. So that's my Instagram. And I'm going to be posting at least every week. So you guys check in, follow me, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and yeah.
YouTube channel is Marc the Greatest.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thanks a lot, man. I appreciate your time. Continue the great trading. You're going to get that 90%. We're going to keep that 10%. We're going to be happy with it. And we're going to build a super big fund with a lot of profitable trader. This is our goal. This is real live account. And our goal is literally to eventually, after 1 year or 2 years, have the stats to be able to grow that, like go see big investor, you know, that are putting millions at the time and say, hey man, we got a fund, it's profitable. We're trading 2, 3, 4 million right now, but we want to make it to 100 million. And every trader is going to get his share, obviously. So thanks and take care, Marc. Congrats again for your 10K account.
Thank you. And thank you.
Take care.